Outlook OST files are the most important data file that Outlook uses for offline storage of mailbox data. This file contains emails, tasks, calendars, etc. Most often, users want to access the OST file content or want to convert it into another file format, but they do not have any reliable method. Here, we bring you the most effective and secure solution to open Outlook OST files and convert them into numerous file types, DRS OST Viewer Tool. DRS OST Viewer is a one-stop solution to access Outlook mailbox data. It offers numerous exceptional features. Let us see some of the most prominent features of the DRS OST Viewer Tool. It displays all Outlook mailbox folders like Inbox, Sent, Draft, Outbox, Trash, etc. You can add any number of OST files at once in DRS OST Viewer. The application allows you to convert OST to PDF, PST, MBOX, EML, EMLX, MSG, CSV, HTML, and DOC file formats. You can also filter out duplicate emails on the basis of to, from, subject, BCC, and body. You can also exclude email attachments from migration for precise backup. The application has the date filter option to convert emails of a particular date range. It also enables you to convert attachments to PDF format and save them in a separate folder. The split resultant PST file option enables you to break the output PST file into multiple smaller files. DRS OST Viewer Tool has some prerequisites that you must fulfill to use the application. You must run the DRS OST Viewer as administrator. An active internet connection is required while activating the premium license. Temporarily turn off Windows Defender and antivirus because they hamper tool functioning. DRS OST Viewer Tool cannot open a corrupted OST file. Let us see how to use the OST File Viewer tool to open Outlook OST files. Launch Google Chrome or any other browser. Type DRS OST Viewer tool in the search bar and press Enter. Click on the search result associated with Data Recovery Solutions. It will open the product page of DRS OST Viewer. Press Download to download the DRS OST Viewer application. After completing the download, double-click on the application to install it. Run it as administrator. Now, you see the home screen of the software. In the left section, there are two options to add an OST file: Select Files and Select Folder. The Select File option allows you to add OST files, whereas the Select Folder option lets you add a folder containing multiple OST files. Here, we are choosing the Select File option. Now, locate the Outlook OST file that you want to open or convert. Select it and press Open. The selected OST file has been added to the list. You can also add multiple files. If you have added an undesired OST file or want to clear all files, use the Remove and Remove All options respectively. Now, press the Next button to proceed to the next step. The application processes the mailbox data in the selected OST files. After completing the file scan, it shows the mailbox items in a tree structure. To check the emails, double-click on any desired mailbox folder. Similarly, double-click on the email to view its content. Select the mailbox items you want to migrate from the tree structure and press Next. Now, you will see all the OST file conversion options. Expand the Save/Backup/Migrate as option to check all the available file formats for conversion. Here, we select PST files, but you can choose any file format as per your requirement. Opt for the Remove Duplicate Mail on basis of to, from, subject, BCC, and body options. It will exclude all duplicate items. The Maintain Folder Hierarchy option sustains the structure of mailbox data. If you want to exclude email attachments, enable the Migrate or Backup Emails Without Attachment Files option. After that, you can mark the Save in Same option to save the resultant file at the location of the source file. Tick the Split Resultant PST option and provide an appropriate size. It will break the PST file into multiple smaller files. The Date Filter feature helps you to convert emails of a particular date range. Tick the Date Filter option and enter a suitable start date and end date to define the date range. Press Add button to add the date range entry. Repeat this procedure if you want to add multiple date ranges. You can also name the resultant file. Enable the Custom Folder Name feature and provide the desired name in the given field. The application also allows you to choose the destination for the resultant file. Using the Path to Save button, you can define any suitable saving location. Note that, to use the Path to Save button, you have to unselect the Save and Same option. After defining all the desired options, click on the Convert button. The application starts the OST file conversion to PST file format. As the process gets completed, you will see the resultant file in the destination folder. Also, you will see the process as completed pop-up. Click OK to close it. You can check the conversion report. Click Download Report to download this report in CSV format. It is the complete working of the DRS OST Viewer Tool. You can easily open and convert Outlook OST files by performing these steps. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.